Today, we're diving into the secrets behind skyrocketing your business growth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, these proven strategies will make all the difference. 1. Focus on the right metrics. The first step in scaling your business is knowing what to measure. It's not just about revenue. It's about tracking metrics that truly matter, like customer acquisition cost, retention rates, and lifetime value. These numbers tell the story of your growth and help you make smarter decisions. Pro tip: focus on high-impact metrics that drive sustainable growth. 2. Leverage the power of marketing. Marketing is the fuel for your business rocket. Invest in strategies that align with your audience. From social media to email marketing or even paid ads, your goal is to build a brand that resonates and engages. Remember, consistency is key. 3. Build systems for scalability. Systems and processes are the backbone of growth. Use tools like customer relationship management software, automated emails, or inventory tracking to free up time and ensure your business can scale without breaking a sweat. Tip: automate repetitive tasks and focus on innovation. Know your customers inside out. Your customers are the ultimate growth engine. Listen to their feedback, understand their needs, and deliver products or services that solve their problems better than anyone else. Happy customers turn into loyal advocates who fuel your growth. On-screen text: 80% of your growth comes from just 20% of your customers. 5. The mindset for success. Finally, growth begins with the right mindset. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and don't fear failure. Remember, the most successful businesses didn't get there overnight. They kept innovating, kept trying, and stayed focused on their goals. On-screen text: your mindset is your biggest competitive advantage. Dynamic visuals of a signifying explosive business growth. Now's the time to take action. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to skyrocketing your business growth. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's grow together.